Welcome back, and with this lesson we're going to start kind of the next chapter, which is looking at systems of equations and finding out if an ordered pair is a solution to something, and that's kind of where we're going to start. We're going to start basic. So with this lesson, all we're going to do is look at one equation and then build up to two in the next lesson. So basic idea is to see if an ordered pair is a solution. All you're going to do is substitute the ordered pair in for x and y and see if the equation is true. Okay. The easiest way to actually do these is to just do the problem. Or the easiest way to teach these is to just do the problem. So all we do is we got to remember this is my x coordinate, this is my y coordinate. You're going to be given a problem and a point, and you're going to be asked, is this point a solution? Is this ordered pair a solution to this equation? Well, the way we check that is by taking the x-coordinate, substituting it in for x, and the y-coordinate and substituting it in for y. And then we just see if the equation is true. So if we do that, we get 3 times 1 plus 2 times negative 1 equals 1. And then we just solve this guy. 3 times 1 is 3. 2 times negative 1 is a minus 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 equals 1. Hey, that's true. Because this is true, we can say, yes, 1, negative 1 is a solution. And that's all we do for these guys. Okay, I'll show you a couple more. But again, this concept is we substitute the ordered pair in for x and y, and we just see if the equation is true. If the equation is not true, then we do not have a solution with that coordinate. Okay, you do have to be aware that sometimes problems might switch around your variables. You have to recognize your x coordinate is the first one and goes into the x. Your y coordinate is the second number, and it goes in for the y. Then we just substitute those numbers in and solve. We have 4 times 3 plus 3 times 2 equals 6. And we just substitute those guys in. You know, my problem is not written correctly. That should be a minus in there, and that's going to change my whole problem here. Let me fix that. If that's a minus and that's a minus, now we're ready to go. So now we're going to see if this is true. And 4 times 3 is 12. 12 minus 6 equals 6. 12 minus 6 is 6 equals 6. And hey, look at that. Yes. What does that mean? That means 2, 3 is a solution. Woohoo! All right, one last one. We have our equation right here and our ordered pair. We're going to substitute that first number in for x and the second number in for y. So here we go. Here's my x, there's my y. Bop and bop. So 2 times 2 plus 5 times, what is that, negative 1 equals 1. We're going to solve this guy. 4 minus 5 equals 1. Negative 1 equals 1. Oh, that's a false. Nope. So we'd say not a solution. Boom. And that's what we do. Okay. This is, again, kind of setting the groundwork for systems of equations, which we will get into in the next lesson. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.